Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadin kendiasngi baka yang darbar tawan ke jela, kalayo yu lampang bapura. Henne kasngi pan, ka arpoi trek ulber, ka yang darbar kalayo se usembot lampang, neu deputy speaker, ubatamai. Kaje kon nakabanta ganik syuki henne kasngi ka arpoi trek ulber. Keralong hapadang ki arngot ki kertong, bakan top yu kertong, jong kaliak sencar, u Timothy Dishira, ubalong MLA na po Risibal para constituency. Baru kertong kaliang persya uba David Nongrom ubalong UMLA na Maurang Keneng constituency. Hak jingat tap vote ane kasngi haying terbar tawan banjit yu deputy speaker lai shimenta de kisan paprangot ki MLA kentop ikiba na kaliang sensyar bat kaliang persya. Hadien bala pendap ke jingat tap vote daki ballot papers. Bat hadien ke jingnyo wiki vote UMLA kaseng National People's Party u Timothy Dishira ula job hadien bola yo lai pendretu liki vote. Katba UMLA kaseng Kongres pan uba David Nongrom ulayo tang arpo vote. Katbar ki artli ki vote pat kila sulong lena namar kajing bamshai yanola tab ya ka vote.
I will now announce the result of the election. Sri Timothy Shira, seeking your 36 votes. Sri Nongrom, seeking your 20 votes. Since Sri Timothy Shira has secured all votes, I hereby declare that Sri Timothy Shira elected as the Speaker of the 10th Media Legislative Assembly. Now I request the leader of the House, Sri Conrad Sama, and the leader of the opposition, Mukul Sama, to escort Sri Timothy Shira to the seat. Now we will continue. He is one of the senior-most members of this House. Whether in terms of the number of times he's been elected to this House, and even the age, if you look at his age, he is the eldest member having in our House. So I think this 10th Assembly is very fortunate, sir, because we have the two senior-most people in terms of age. One is the Speaker of the House and the other is the Deputy Speaker of the House. So I know that we are in safe hands. We are under your leadership, two individuals who are very experienced in what they have done. Mr. Timothy Dishira has not only been a member of the House, he has been also a member of the District Council. Vastly experienced man. A person who has even worked in government as a block development officer at government. Contested in many elections, sir. Won many, lost a few. But I can tell you, sir, he's a person who has always been connected to the Rashtra. And I think his entire experience, whether it is as an official, whether it is as an MPC, or as an MLA, as a cabinet minister and the deputy chief minister of Meghalaya, I think his entire experience throughout his life will really bring a lot of good values and good experience into the seat that he will take now, which is the seat of the deputy speaker. So I know Mr. Timothy Dishira for a very long time. He was and has been associated with our political party for a very long time. He's been there since my late father's time and my son's time. And I've always looked up to him also as a father figure. He has been somebody who has guided me also, who has always taught me things about politics and about life and about governance and Meghalaya state in general. So even as a leader in the House, I always look up to him as a father figure and a person who will always not just lead us in this House, but also guide us in terms of how we should move forward in our work to develop our states. So I know him also He might be the eldest person in this house, but sir, I can tell you, he is one of the fittest persons also. He has got, I think, countless numbers of rubber trees, plantations, rubber plantation, and he used to personally look into each one of that aspect of his entrepreneurship in his business. Like the leader of opposition, he is also a farmer. So I think they're sitting close to each other. I think they will share more about farming than about politics. But it is very nice to see that some of our leaders really are connected with issues and matters that relate matter to our people. And I think agriculture is a very important part. And I'm very happy to say that the Deputy Speaker also brings in all that knowledge into agriculture and into all his experience that he has. So I once again, sir, would like to congratulate our Honorable Deputy Speaker of the House, and with these few words, I congratulate him and I wish him all the best. And I know that, like you, sir, he will also ensure that this House runs in a free and fair manner. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.
Mr. Speaker, sir, it is my privilege to join the Chief Minister to congratulate our newly elected Deputy Speaker, a man who have been known to each one of us, who have been in this unresponsible with him. Of course, working friends of ours, who had the privilege to join us this term, to get me together as a colleague in the house. But for us, we had known him for a long time. In fact, as for me, even before he was there to this house, because he's one amongst few in western part of the state who have contested maximum number of elections and has had successful elections. I just want to confirm from our newly elected Deputy Speaker 8 times, and he never takes it. He doesn't believe it. That's the skill with which he managed to come back, and that's true. So it also gives lots of inspiration to many of our friends who need making mistakes. That never give up when you make it again. So that's the message that comes to many of our friends belonging to our political class. And it's again a privilege for me to have someone who is again connected to what I like, farming. I was told by many how many pumpkins used to sell and distribute. I have distribution of pumpkin gave lots of rules. All the relatives, all the neighbors. So one would be really privileged to be in a neighborhood where he resides. And I'm sure as someone close to you, as your Lieutenant Honorary Speaker, you have the privilege of having also access to all those produce that he uses in his farm. Mr. Speaker, sir, from different perspective, Mr. Timothy Nishra, a very highly respected man in not just racial, and love them, really respectful. I wanted to know the art of this defeating of Hitler, he himself being Hitler, and the art that we implemented over this. And that's the art, which is a tough job for all of us to remain
Hakadorbar mang tengkapat jong kajela. Kadorbar ne kasngi kalayatai halor ki babon kiman. Ki balawara da kalyang persya kumjo ki jingkren na kalyang sensar. Kimat ki balawan ra ne kasngi hakadorbar ki kentop ya ka jingkeli halor ke primary health center hakasnong ka syabari ka balawara do Clement Marang. Nang tanah kalyang uzenet sangma ulabu jingkeli halor kisnong ki badan hakitai nong kandong ki bampat yo boarding electric aduk menta. Na kalyang UMLA pat ubadang syurong thema syakajeli jong san pertai uba hima sang pliang na Mawson Ram constituency ulabu jingkeli halor ki surong ki bala menjor da ka governing body jong ka special purpose vehicle na ka benta ka company Lafarge Siemens ya ka ba 4 pentrekam haduk menta. Nakaliang jong sauway pat UMLA ubadang syurong thema syakajeli jong san pertai uba sentar kelas sun ubalong UMLA Klemseng na po Mauplang constituency ulabu jingkeli halor ka benta jong ki kle nong sensar snong kum ki acting chief dan ki acting serdar jong ki no ki ilaka lakilan marlong dekhot jong ki sengsan pertai bat kum jo banyalap election.